This is a short video to tell you what not to do when teaching standing poses, which is, we call it loading the hip. When you do a lot of standing poses on one side, it compromises the hip. I'm going to give you an instance of what not to do, and then I'll show you what would be better to do. For instance, if you're going to teach a triangle pose, even if you're using a chair, I'm doing a triangle pose here, reach the arm up, and I'm like, oh, I'd like to go into a warrior two now. I'm going to bend this front knee, reach the arm, warrior two. How about a warrior three? So I'll shift my weight forward, lift the back leg. Okay, so that's 3 standing poses on one side. Might as well, just for demonstration, now I'm doing warrior one. That was 4 standing poses on one side. You can do the same 4 standing poses and just switch sides. For instance, I'll do a triangle pose with my left foot forward. I'm going to do a warrior two next, so what I will do is step my right foot forward. Warrior two. Warrior three. I'll step my left foot forward, my right foot back. Warrior three. Warrior one. Step back and reach up. Play with it. It's actually really fun. You can get creative with it, but not more than 1 standing pose on a side. Thanks for listening.